How to delete highlights on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. At the middle of your profile, you will see your story highlights displayed in circular icons. Scroll through them to find the highlight you want to delete. Tap on the highlight to open it. Once the highlight opens, you can tap on the screen to move through the stories in that highlight. If you want to remove a specific story from the highlight, navigate to that story. At the bottom right of the screen, tap on the More option, which is represented by 3 dots. A menu will appear with several options. Tap on Remove from Highlight. Instagram will ask if you are sure you want to remove this story from the highlight. Tap Remove, and that story will no longer be part of the highlight. Even though the highlight is deleted, the stories may still be saved in your archive. To check your archived stories, go back to your profile page and tap on the 3 lines in the top right corner. Then select Archive. At the top of the screen, you will see a drop-down menu. Tap on it and select Stories Archive. Here, you can see all your past stories. If you want to permanently delete a story from your archive, tap on the story, then tap on More at the bottom right and select Delete. Confirm the deletion and that story will be removed from Instagram permanently. That's how to delete highlights on Instagram.